WPA2 encryption is getting quite old now, and because of this four-way handshake weakness that I talked about before, we needed to fix that. And so we have finally come out now with WPA3. It is not in wide use yet, and it will probably be some time before it is. You may buy a device that has WPA3 capability on it, but not all devices on the market do yet. What it does is it changes that four-way handshake into another type of handshake called simultaneous authentication of equals, also known as the dragonfly handshake. It prevents that dictionary attack. It no longer sends that hashed password in a way that can be reverse engineered offline. It also uses stronger encryption. Now, I didn't mention it, but AES is using 128-bit encryption. WPA3 is using 192-bit encryption. It also provides an optional ability to provide unique passwords for each user, which is nice. It kind of emulates the AAA model. It does still have some security flaws in it, and I've given you a link. I'm not going to go through those flaws, but I've given you a link here called Project Dragonblood that that goes through some of the security flaws that are in WPA3, and these may still be changing and updated from time to time as we go on. Now, I also mentioned before, and this is a sort of I kind of stuck this in the wrong place, but many routers have something called a mixed mode, where WPA2 plus TKIP can operate together. It can also be set to just TKIP. So TKIP plus RC4, which is the same as WPA. So rather than using AES encryption, if some older computers don't have AES capability, you can use this either mixed mode or this TKIP plus RC4 mode in your WPA2 to make it act more like WPA.